Hi everyone, my name is Ishwarya Agrawal and I am a quantitative aptitude and LRDI trainer at an academy. So today's mathematic hack of the day is this: how to learn the fractional equivalents of percentages. Okay, so before we discuss how can you learn the fractional equivalents of percentages, first of all let us understand what is the need to learn these. Okay, where will these be useful? Okay, so for example, if you have to find 14.28% of something, okay, if you have to find 14.28% of suppose 128, okay, so then how will you find it? There is a classical way of solving this question: 14.28 upon 100 into 128. So doing this calculation will take time, okay, but if you know what is the fractional equivalent of 47.28, it is equal to 1 by 7, okay. So fractional equivalent of 14.28 is 1 by 7. So you will just multiply 1 by 7 with 128 and you will get the answer. Okay, as simple as that. What is this value equal to? 7 into 1 is 7, then 58. 18 point something you will get. Okay, so this will be my final answer. This way you can solve such type of questions easily. Okay, now this will be the part of question. This will be helpful in your cons definitely. And along with that, this will be very helpful in your DI section also. In data interpretation also, this will be very helpful. Okay, all right. So let us discuss further. So if you go for the Unacademy Plus subscription, you get all these benefits. All the sessions that happen on the platform are live sessions. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session. So you will have enough number of doubt solving sessions also. Okay, you will have the recording of each and every lecture available to you. Full length mock test and daily sectional test also happen on the platform. So you will have access to all this. Okay, now this is an offer that is going on at Unacademy, that if you take the subscription for 1 year, you get 2 months of subscription free, and if you take it for 2 years, you get 3 months of subscription free. So you can use my code AAISH10 to go for the subscription. This will even get you 10% off the course fee. All right. Okay. Now let us see how can you learn the fractional equivalence of percentages. Okay. So we have 1 by 2. Okay, the easiest one, half. We know that half is equal to 50%. Now, if you divide both sides by 2, what do you get? 1 by 4 is equal to 25%. Again divided by 2, what do you get? 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5%. Okay, this is 12.5%. Again divided by 2, what do you get? 1 by 16, this is equal to 6.25%. Okay, so this way also you can calculate the fractional equivalents. This is the way to learn. Okay, now let's see. For 1 by 2, this is 50%. Now, if your denominator is 3, what are the possibilities for the numerators? We are learning the fractions. So 1 by 3 is possible and 2 by 3 is possible. So what is 1 by 3? This is equal to 33.33. So you just have to learn one value, and then 2 by 3 will be double of this, which is 66.66. Right? Easy. Now 3 by 3 is 1 only, 100%, so no need to learn that. Now let us see if the denominator is 4. Possible values are 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. So 2 by 4 is equal to half. So no need to learn. Look at this, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to 25%. So 3 by 4 will be 3 times 25%, that is 75%. Okay. Now, what if my denominator is 5? If 5 is your denominator, then the numerators can be 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, right? So for 1 by 5, this is 20%. So for 2 by 5, 40%, 60%, 80%, right? Now 1 by 6. So to calculate 1 by 6, you just have to divide 1 by 3 by 2. 1 by 3 का हमने याद किया है, that is 33.33. उसको 2 से divide करेंगे, so I get 16.66. Okay, so that is 1 by 6. Okay, now 5 by 6 will be this into 5. So 16 into 5 is 80. This we know. So this will be 83.33, the closest value. Alright, so this way you can remember these. Now this one is an important and a different one. 1 by 7. 1 by 7 you just need to learn, that is 14.28%. Okay, you can remember these words, 14, these numbers 14 and 28, because these are multiples of 7. 7 into 2 14, 7 into 4 28. So this is 14.28. Okay, now what will be 2 by 7? Just multiply the above percentage by 2. Okay, so what will come? 14 into 2, 28, and 28 into 2, 56. So 56 or 57 close, right? Now 3 by 7, multiply 14 by 3, which is 42. Then 28 into 3, this will give you approximately 85. Okay, so you can learn it in this manner. Okay, this will be very helpful for you if you learn the fractional equivalence in this manner. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's move on. Now 1 by 8. So we have already discussed how to calculate 1 by 8 from 1 by 2 by dividing it repeatedly. You can divide this by 4 both sides. So this will be 50% by 4, which gives you 12.5%. Okay. Now just keep on multiplying this by different numbers to get values of different fractions, right? 3 by 8 is 37.5, 5 by 8 is 62.5, and 7 by 8 is 87.5. Okay, now rest of the values when the denominator is 9 and when the denominator is 11. This is the most interesting one. Okay, let's see how. See, you can remember one date, 9/11. Okay, we all remember this date, 9/11. Okay, so 9 in the fractional equivalent, the value of 1 by 9, the percentage equivalent of 1 by 9 is equal to 11.11 or 11.11. Okay, this way you can remember. And for 1 by 11, it is exact opposite. 1 by 11 का fractional percentage equivalent क्या होगा? 9.09. Okay, same thing. Now, suppose if you have to find 55.55% of something, then basically you just multiply 5 by 11 with that number. Sorry, 5 by 9, because 1 by 9 is 11.11, so this will be 5 by 9 into something. Alright, so you have 1 by 9 is 11.11%, 2 by 9 will be 22.22, 3 by 9 will be 33.33, 4 by 9 44.44, 5 by 9 55.55, 7 by 9 77.77, 8 by 9 88.88. Okay, so this way this will keep on continuing. So basically you just need to remember the value of 1 by 9. Okay, and here also you just have to learn the value of 1 by 11. Okay, rest of the values are the tables of 3 only. All the values that come are the table of 3. 2 into 9 is 18. Then 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, finally 90. Okay, now the integer part is same as the decimal part. Alright, so this way you can learn the percentage equivalents of all the fractions which have 11 as their denominator. Alright, I hope this point is clear, everyone. This is the way to learn this. Let's move on and check this out. So you have 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is equal to 8.33%. How can you get 1 by 12? Let's see. You know what is 1 by 2? That is 50%. So can we get 1 by 12 from this value? Please think about it. What is 1 by 4? This is equal to 25%. Right? Now from 1 by 4, if I divide it by 3, what do I get? If I multiply both sides by 1 by 3, I get this. Right? So 1 by 12 is equal to 8.33%. Okay? So value of 1 by 12 is 8.33%. So this you can learn. Then 5 by 12 is 41.66%. 7 by 12 is 58.33%. 10 by 12, 83.33. Okay, so this is just 10 multiplied. Multiply 1 by 12 by 10, you get this. Or this is also equal to 5 by 6. So no need to learn this because 5 by 6 we have already discussed is 83.33%. Okay, then 11 by 12 is 91.66%. Okay, so it would be better if you learn all these. Okay, but if you're unable to learn all these, at least you should learn the important ones so that you can calculate rest of them yourself. Okay, for example, 1 by 2 is a must, we know this. 1 by 5 is must, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. Okay, then the value of 1 by 7 you have to learn, 1 by 4 you have to learn. So 6 from this slide, these values you need to learn, and accordingly if you learn these 6 values, rest of the values you can calculate. Okay, let's move on. Now 1 by 8 you should know, 1 by 9, 1 by 11 definitely, and 1 by 12. Alright, these fractional equivalents of percentages you will have to learn. This will definitely help you in simplifying your calculations. Also, this will help you save time as well. Okay. Alright. Now, a quick tip for everyone. You have to write this entire list daily for 10 days without fail. Okay, so if you want to learn these fractional equivalents, just doing it verbally won't help. Okay, write all these fractions daily for 10 days. Okay, this will take you just 10 minutes. Take 10 minutes every day. Write this entire list, and I'm sure you'll be able to learn all these fractional equivalents within 10 days. Okay, so try this, guys. I'm sure you will be able to do it. Okay, all right. So if you haven't taken the IP Math subscription yet, please go for it using the code AAISH10. This will help you get 10% off the entire course fee. Also, if you go for the subscription for 2 years, you can get 10% off. If you go for 1 year also, then also you will get 10% off. So please make use of this opportunity. Go for the subscription and start your preparations with us. Okay. All right. Now, crash course is going to start from 21st of July. This is a 30-day long course. Okay. I'm going to take classes of higher mathematics in this course. So guys, please go for it and start your preparations with us. 17th July for 1 year. So students who are preparing for 2022 BBA exams must enroll now, because this course is going to start very soon. Okay, and if you haven't joined my Telegram group yet, please do join it. Links of all my sessions are shared there only. Also guys, please like this video and share it with your friends also who are preparing for any exam which has quants. Okay, all right. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it.